What's happening there? What's the problem? Huh? Okay, why are you guys making noise? No, you guys sit down. Don't explain. See, whoever I'm here now, I'm sitting here now. I want to just to rest my head. Whoever that will make noise and say, you'll be in charge. Slap the person. Is that taking?
Yes.
Let me hear anyone talk. What did you slap me? Hey!
You said that anybody that talks, I should slap the person.
Hi!
Ah.